Imagine this, you're walking down the street, a police officer approaches you. The officer says you are under arrest. This can be a scary situation. It is important to stay calm. You will be asked to put your hands behind your back. The officer will handcuff you. This is standard procedure. It helps to ensure everyone's safety. You will be taken to a police station. This is usually in the back of a police car. The police car might have a siren. It might have flashing lights. At the police station, you will be booked. Booking is a way to record your arrest. You will be asked for your name and address. You will also be asked for your date of birth. The police will take your photograph. This is called a mugshot. They will take your fingerprints. Your fingerprints are unique. They help identify you. Remember, you have rights. You have the right to remain silent. This means you don't have to answer questions. You have the right to a lawyer. A lawyer can help you understand your rights. You might be placed in a holding cell. This is a small room with a bench. You might be in the holding cell for a few hours. You might be there longer. Being arrested can be frightening. It's important to stay calm. Listen to the police officers. Don't argue or resist. Remember your rights. Ask for a lawyer if you need one. This process can be confusing, but understanding it can help you feel more prepared.